Today, I will be teaching you how to make an amazing restaurant style butter chicken at home. When we think of butter chicken, we think of a restaurant, but not anymore, because I will be teaching you how to make it at home. All you require is a few basic, simple ingredients, and you will end up making the best restaurant style butter chicken at home. So, do watch my complete video as I've shown you from the frying of the chicken to making the perfect gravy. So let's begin. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I'll be using 1 kg chicken with bones for this recipe, as I personally feel the chicken with bones tastes better. Wash it well and dry it before adding the seasoning. Add in 2 teaspoons of chicken masala powder. You can use any masala powder that's available with you. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or paprika powder. 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can adjust the spice level accordingly. Then to this add in 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1.5 teaspoons of salt to taste. To this add in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Squeeze in the juice of 1 full lime. To this add in 2 teaspoons of corn flour powder. By adding this, it helps the coating to stay on better on the chicken while we are frying it. Give it all a good mix and make sure the chicken is well coated with all the seasonings. Once your chicken is well marinated, keep it overnight, as I prefer the overnight marination is the best as it gives the best results, or at least a minimum of 1 hour of marination is required. We'll be sharing with you a few tips to fry the perfect chicken. So always remember to add the chicken when the oil is well heated. So keep the oil in a medium to high flame while you're adding the chicken pieces to it. Add in the chicken pieces one by one. Let the chicken fry on one side perfectly before you turn it to the other side. So this will take around 2 to 3 minutes to fry on one side. So for this butter chicken, you're going to fry it just until you get this perfect color as shown. Do not over fry. Fry the remaining chicken pieces as well. Tip: do not over fry the chicken, as the chicken tends to turn harder once it's fried for a very long time. Keep the chicken pieces aside. For the gravy, we will require 3/4 cup of cashews, 4 large tomatoes, and 2 medium-sized onions. Make a puree of all the three by adding very little water to it. To a large cooking pot, add in 1.5 cup of cooking oil. I'm using the same oil that we used to fry the chicken, as this will help your butter chicken taste even better. Once the oil is heated, add in the onion puree to it. Stir fry the onion puree for around 3 to 4 minutes until you see it starts to change its color. Then to this add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add in 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. You can adjust the spice level accordingly. Give it all a good mix. Stir fry at this stage for around 3 to 4 minutes. Stir fry until you see the oil begins to separate. Then to this add in the prepared tomato puree. Give it all a really good mix. At this stage again you need to stir fry it for around 2 to 3 minutes. Cover the lid and let the tomatoes cook. This step will take around 10 to 12 minutes as we want to remove all the raw smell from the tomatoes, and you see the oil begins to separate. At this stage you can add in your prepared cashew puree. Give it a good mix until the cashew puree is well combined. Add in around 1 cup of water in the remaining cashew puree. Add in half a teaspoon of red orange food color. So this is the perfect color of the butter chicken that we require. Give it a good mix, and at this stage you can add in your fried chicken. This is the perfect time to add in the chicken and let it cook in the gravy for around 7 to 8 minutes, as we want the chicken to leave its flavor in the gravy. Meanwhile, to a pan, add in around 6 to 7 teaspoons of kasuri methi. That's dried fenugreek leaves. So all you need to do is dry roast these for just around 2 to 3 minutes. We want to retain the green color of the fenugreek leaves just until they become slightly roasted. Slightly crush them as shown. Then to your gravy add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add in the dry roasted kasuri methi leaves and just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Yes, sugar goes into your butter chicken to make it taste really good. So when you add these, you don't cook it for a long time. So all you need to do is give it a good mix and let it cook for just 1 to 2 minutes. Just until the kasuri methi leaves its flavor in the gravy. Then to this add in 3/4 cup of fresh cream. At this stage, give it a good mix and let it cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, as we do not want to cook it for long after adding the cream to it. This is the final look of your butter chicken. This is the perfect consistency that we require. As its name suggests, butter chicken, we are going to add in our final ingredient, that's butter. I am adding in 4 large cubes of the butter. All you need to do is add in the butter and cover the lid and leave it. It's going to melt on its own and leave its perfect flavor in your butter chicken. Believe me, this butter chicken tastes just like any restaurant style butter chicken. So please do give this recipe a try and you will love it. This is how it looks when your butter has melted in well. Give it a final mix and you can dish out your butter chicken. Make sure you follow all the steps to get the perfect tasting butter chicken. This tasted so good. Please do share my recipe with your friends and family. and I need your support to grow my channel. So please do subscribe. Click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much for watching.